What's up, guys? Steve here again. Got this 2017 car hauler. Came in wrecked about 2 weeks ago. Whole hood was destroyed on it. I'll drop a pic in here of what it looked like before, but just wanted to give you guys a look at it after we put her back together. New cabin sleeper panels, 6-inch aluminum painted. We did some new breather lights, converted everything to glass on here. 5 melons in the front. We got new glass lights out on the mirrors. Build a set of aluminum slip covers for the battery boxes, as well as some new signage. We got lifetime lug nut step plates on there. We used the shit out of those billet plates. We got billet front oil caps. Got some new FiberTech front fenders with a bigger lip on them. Got rid of the stock headlights, put double rounds, stainless double rounds on it with drop brackets. We did end up putting a whole new hood on this truck. It was pretty mangled. Front grille surround was smashed up. It almost looked like a model Kenworth that had so much of a peak in the middle. 7 grill bars, new 18-inch Lincoln bumper. It's got a 12-gauge bumper lift on it. This thing is super low. You can see the cylinder brackets damn near touching the ground with it aired out. Of course, we put more glass down on the bumper. We did end up changing the visor for this customer. He wanted this monster straight visor. It don't look too bad on this chop top. It is not the best to see out of, but other than that, it looks fine. So, but not too bad. Pretty clean unit for as old as it is. Rod threw this thing together probably, well, when it was new, I believe back in 17, so it's got quite a few miles on it. It's been beat up and down the road a little bit. So, alright, well, this is just going to be a quick one here. Kind of show you another one headed out. I think it came out pretty clean. Definitely a lot cleaner than what we started with. So, alright guys, well, hit us up on the website, picketcustomtrucks.com, and until next time, let's keep on trucking.